Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you very much. If you are also a returning subscriber, we are very much appreciated. Please kindly like the video. So if you are new and you haven't subscribed, please kindly do so, subscribe, and also watch those ads. Please consider letting them run. Okay, I'm going to talk about the father of Skeem Saam's actress. You guys, we know Uguti, this man sent the Nkabis to unalive his mother-in-law. Allegedly, when the Nkabis got there, they found the mother-in-law with his wife, and they unalived both the wife and the mother, something like that. This is Ubaba William Manku, who is the father of the Skeem Saam actress Simazingo Lizzie. When it comes to Skeem Saam, I think her real name is what's her real name, Lizzie Bafeto? I always forget her real name. But anyways, we know Lizzie, right? Now, we're talking now her father, father of Skeem Saam actress, finally pleads in Tekanjal. The trial of William Manku and his co-accused David Khoza started on Monday, the 10th of February, in the Polokwane Magistrate Court that side. So they are back in court. Those are the people that I've been expecting to see back in court, because I've done my videos wabo before last year, and everything was like postponed to January, February. So I knew there are so many cases that we still have to hear what's gonna happen now. Yeah, man. I said the father of Lizzie, right? Here they just write a Skeem Saam actress. So I'm just telling you who is that Skeem Saam actress. That is Lizzie, who is the doctor there. Skeem Saam. Now the father of Skeem Saam actress, Amanda Manku, and I kind of forgot her name, Amanda. You know, I know her is Lizzie, and I always wanna say Lizzie, but actually she is Amanda Manku. And his co-accused appeared in the Polokwane Magistrate Court. Her father appeared in court on Monday, the 10th of January. William Manku, who is 53, and David Khoza, who is 41, are on trial for the murder of Manku's mother-in-law, Uletima Putuma, and his wife, Gladys Manku. They pleaded not guilty to all the charges. Like I've explained to you, the way I heard the story, when he finally spoke, he said the Nkabi that he hired was supposed to be unaliving his mother-in-law. I think he didn't have the relationship with the Amanda Manku's mom. So when the Nkabi gets to the mother-in-law, he finds the mother-in-law with his daughter, who is the wife to Babu William Manku. Now he unalives both. But the Nkabi was supposed to unalive only the mother-in-law and not the mother Wakalizi. But he then unalived both and stated the reasons. When I unalived the mother-in-law, the mother screamed and ran, and she was kind of like running to the Pagati, the community, and then this Nkabi was like, I'm gonna be in trouble, and then he just shot and unalived the mother as well. That's how I got the story. It is allegedly, let me just say allegedly, so that I don't get into trouble. But I remember, because I've done this story before, I've got videos of this matter. I remember Ukuthi Inkabiyati, when the mother then ran screaming and whatever, crying, maybe he decided to unalive her as well. Maybe he realized Ukuthi he's gonna be in trouble with the Impagati, you know what I mean. So now the two were arrested in January 2024 on charges of conspiracy to commit murder, attempted murder, and 2 counts of murder, defeating the ends of justice, and robbery with aggravated circumstances. On the stand is a police officer whose name cannot be mentioned. She's being cross-examined by the state prosecutor and legal representatives. Remember, the father of Amanda Manku, who is a police officer, and in the beginning, kwakukhulunywa about his girlfriend, who's also a police officer, because they were saying, I did not know how the girlfriend was fitting in here. There was also a girlfriend that they were talking about of Ubaba Amanda Makotana. She's a policewoman. So, but ekugcineni ngezwe bengasakhulumi ngaye kakhulu, you know, it was just Ubaba Amanda Manku and this particular Nkabi. All right. Now, the witness, let me see, yes, the witness, Sergeant Eddie Makhatle Sub, said she was on duty on the 4th May 2024 in her police uniform. I think maybe this is the one, the police woman that they were talking about, because last they were saying she's the girlfriend of. They were mentioning a police woman who is a girlfriend. Here they're talking about the police woman who was on duty. So I do not know if that's the same girlfriend or they just have to question someone who was on duty. You know what I mean? She stated that she was with a colleague who is a constable on the 4th of May 2024 at 6 p.m. I was assigned to attend to complaints. I got a complaint from the CDC about people at Mokopong. I received a complaint at 12 past 10 ebusuku, which is 22:12, and rushed to the scene, right? So she explained that upon arrival, they found a man who said he was the first to get to the scene. And then we introduced ourselves as, and he showed us where 2 female bodies were lying on the ground, right? Now, emergency services were called to confirm if the individuals needed to be taken to the hospital. They informed us that the people had unfortunately passed away. Now, the SCSC department and pathology were then called for assistance. On their arrival, we checked the bodies for gunshot wounds. Uleti Maputuma had wounds on her chest. I think this is the granny, Oka Amanda. Has a wound on her chest, stomach, and leg. We found 5 cartridges on the ground. Now, they also checked the other victim, who is the mother, Naka Amanda. We discovered she was shot in the back of the head. Remember, she was running and screaming. She also, obviously, she was shot at the back of the head, esophagus, the chest, and the stomach. They found a cartridge on the ground. So now the witness is still on the stand being cross-examined. Kanti kuthiwa ubaba ke pleaded not guilty. Nenkabi yakhe lapha, I think that is his inkabi, something like that. So I'm like, when it comes to this father, William Manku, why the hell will you want to unalive your mother-in-law? Even if we know many people don't get along with their mother-in-laws, whether it's a woman not getting along with her mother-in-law, or mhlambe kunjena nje bafethu naye not getting along with the mother-in-law, kuyinto nje, you know, normal, esijwayelekile. So for him to actually find inkabi for his mother-in-law, and Wudlapa Benkabi getting there and finding the wife there and unaliving both the mother-in-law and the mother. Kuribona, this thing, every time when I look at Amanda Mangu, I'm like, shame poor girl bafowethu, because I heard she's the firstborn, if I'm not mistaken, and now, but this is alleged. I think I read somewhere where they were talking about how she's the firstborn, and now had to look after her siblings because now the mother has passed away, the father is in prison, the grandmother passed away together with the mother. Kuribona, you are Lina. So this father unaliving your mother-in-law for what? For what? Abantu bengazwana mother-in-laws wabo. Just leave the woman to live. Just let her go. If she's living in your home, just tell her to excuse you. Do something. Akuze kube ngcono lokho than unaliving someone. You know what I mean? Finding an inkabi to go and unalive go. Bafethu, come on. Mara I do not know Bafethu Kutwage. They pleaded, not guilty, and the police woman who was on duty is actually a witness there, so they are still busy with that. So I do not know. That's in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe, share. Till we meet again in my next one. Bye.